Hello everyone, see this problem. In this circuit, two resistors are given, so that are parallel to each other. That was connected to the current source 2 amperes. Another current source, that is dependent current source, that is 0.2 Vx. Now asking that by using node analysis, how to calculate voltage Vx, that is the voltage drop across 20 ohms. This is the problem. Here I am going to apply node analysis. That means at this node, this is the main current and it was entered into each branch. So let's consider here entering the current is I1 and here the current is I2 and here the current is I3. So according to node analysis, means that is KCL, source current that is equal to sum of all outgoing currents, that is I1 plus I2 plus I3. So these 2 amperes was split into each branch as I1, I2, I3. Now what is I1, what is I2, what is I3? So here 20 ohms the voltage drop is Vx. So here 10 ohms and 20 ohms are both are parallel, nothing but having the same voltage drop. So here what is the Vx is there? Here also Vx voltage drop is there. Means at this node, let's consider there is a Vx. Now in this branch, according to Ohm's law, the current I1 is V by R, voltage is Vx minus lower potential, that is 0, by resistance is 10 ohms. This is the I1. Similarly, in this branch, the voltage is Vx minus lower potential is 0 by resistance is 20 ohms. Plus I3 is the current nothing but 0.2 Vx in the third branch. So that is equal to 2 amperes. It becomes 2 equal to Vx by 10 plus Vx by 20 plus 0.2 Vx. LCM is 20. It becomes 2 Vx plus Vx and here 0.2 into 20, nothing but 4 Vx. That is equal to 2. So it becomes 2 equal to, so 2 Vx, 4, nothing but 6 plus 1, 7 Vx. So 7 Vx by 20, nothing but 2 equal to 7 by 2, nothing but 0.35. Again 10 is there, it becomes 0.35. So 7 by 2, nothing but 3.5. So again 10 is there, it becomes 0.35. So 0.35 Vx, that is equal to 2. So from this we will get Vx equal to 2 by 0.35. So by simplifying this we get 5.714 volts. So this is the Vx value, that is the voltage drop taken place across 20 ohms as well as across 10 ohms. So and this is the process of node analysis. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.